Okay, so let's talk about the night of the pageant. Kamusta yung night na yun?
When I was competing, all throughout, I had a firm sense of self naman that, okay, I'm doing pretty well. And I think I'm presenting myself really good. So, I think if the judges would be fair, and if the judges have the same eyes as I do, I will make it to yung mga first cut, ganyan, top 30, top ganito, top 10. Because I judge pageants also. So parang ako, okay, I know na kung ano yung hinahanap. I know how to project yourself on stage best na to seem stand out, ganon.
Did you feel nung day na yun na I will be Miss Universe?
Oh, I believe that. You have to.
So where do you think you get your confidence from once you walk out on stage?
I think paniniwala mo lang sa sarili mo. Like knowing na okay, sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ko sa buhay, I'm sure hindi ito yung pinakamahirap, may mas mahirap akong pinagdaanan. So, itong gagawin ko dito, compared sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ko, wala to.
Nung nag-top 10, syempre nagsisigawan ng mga Pilipino, top 10! Top 5, sigawan na, ito na yun! And then, the announcement. What was that feeling like, anticipating yung announcement ng third, ng second, ng Miss Universe?
Ako, I was at peace already. Kasi alam ko na ginawa ko na everything I could do. And at that point, hindi na sa akin decision yun eh. Hindi ko na control yun. So, ang sa akin, basta ginawa ko lahat ng kaya ko dun sa mga kaya kong kontrolin, okay na ako doon. I was at peace with whatever was gonna happen. Pero of course, ang hope ko, sabi ko, I think I did pretty good. Sabi ko, parang kaya ko mag-Miss Universe kasi okay yung performance ko based on my self-assessment. So sabi ko, okay. Pero nung tinawag na si fourth runner-up na Kotebo, kasi sa isip ko siya yung
Miss Universe.
siya yung magiging ano ko eh. Sabi ko, pwedeng siya or ako. Ganun pa siya.
Kayo yung
May ganun ako, may self-assessment ako. Tinawag siya, sabi ko, okay. Nung una medyo na ano ako, parang, baka wala akong kalaban. Pero naisip ko, bakit ganon? Parang medyo hindi siya according to dun sa naisip ko. So,
For you, ang Miss Universe mo was, if
Hindi.
not you, siya dapat.
that's what's in my head.
If I'm not gonna win, if you're the judge.
If I was the judge, me or, syempre, ako yung bida, ano ko
So,
to eh. Isip
ako
ko to.
Miss Universe, pero kung hindi ako magiging Miss Universe, pwedeng siya.
Ganun yung naisip
Kasi based
ko.
yun on assessing dun sa performance ng lahat, diba?
What I could see. But what I could see was very limited also.
Yes. So, nung tinawag siya na fourth, and then here comes the third runner-up.
Wala, hindi na ako nakapag-isip ng matagal kasi mabilis tinawag na ako eh.
When your name was mentioned as third runner-up, ano na yung internal emotion and what was happening?
I was, initial reaction ko, I was sad. Kasi I was hoping to win. But after nun, I was like, okay, life moves on. Ganun lang naman eh.
And then the second was mentioned. And then Miss Universe was mentioned. But that was a mixed reaction. Even dun sa arena.
Alam mo, surprisingly, sabi nila maingay daw. It wasn't an arena eh. It was like a convention center. So, elevated yung stage, siguro 6 feet up kami. Tapos, the audience were sa baba. So, kahit sabi ng mga audience, yung mga friends ko, family ko, sobrang ingay daw. But sa taas, wala ka naririnig masyado.
Hindi nyo naririnig yung reaction ng mga tao
No.
nung in-announce na siya yung Miss Universe.
Even all throughout, kapag naglalakad ka, hindi mo maririnig masyado. Ang maririnig mo yung speaker, yung music.